In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a bill in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill in, and how to approve your bill so it's properly recorded in your accounts. I'll keep it simple and walk through it at a steady pace so you can follow along in your own Xero account. First, open your web browser and go to the Xero website. Log in with your usual details, and once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where you can see an overview of your business finances, but for now, we're going to head straight to the area where bills are managed. From the main navigation menu near the top of the screen, look for the option labeled Business or Purchases, depending on your Xero layout. In this tutorial, we'll focus on the Purchases area. Go ahead and click Purchases. This section is where you manage the money your business needs to pay out, such as supplier invoices, recurring bills, and any outstanding amounts you owe. After you click Purchases, you'll see several options related to what your business buys. Here, find and click on Bills. This takes you to the Bills section, which shows your draft bills, awaiting approval, and any bills that are already approved or paid. Think of this as your central hub for tracking what you owe to suppliers. Now, we're ready to create a new bill. On the Bills screen, look for a button that says New Bill. It's usually positioned near the top of the page. Click New Bill to start entering the details. Xero may show this option more than once in different places on the page, such as a main button and a shortcut, but they all do the same thing. Open a blank bill form. Just choose the main New Bill button you see and continue. You should now be on a new bill entry screen. This is where you enter all the details for the bill you're recording. Start with the supplier or contact name. If the supplier already exists in your Xero contacts, you can select it from the drop-down list. If not, you can create a new contact directly from this field, which helps keep your records tidy for next time. Next, enter the bill date and the due date. The bill date is usually the date on the invoice you received, and the due date is when payment is expected. Getting these dates right is important for cash flow planning and accurate reporting. Then add a reference or invoice number. This is usually shown on the supplier's invoice and makes it easier to match the bill in Xero with the physical or digital copy you received. Now move down to the line items. Here you'll describe what the bill is for. In each line, enter a description, the quantity, the unit price, and choose the correct account code, such as office expenses or cost of sales, depending on your chart of accounts. Make sure the tax rate is correct as well, based on how your business handles sales tax or VAT. Take a moment to double check the totals at the bottom, including any tax calculations, to ensure they match the supplier's invoice. Once you've reviewed everything and you're happy that the details are correct, you're ready to finalize it. Look for the Approve button, usually at the bottom of the screen. When you click Approve, Xero will save the bill as an approved transaction, which means it's now part of your accounts payable and will show up in your reports and payment runs. And that's all there is to it. You've just created and approved a bill in Xero, making sure your business expenses are properly recorded and ready to be paid on time.